Alrighty, welcome back or welcome to Foundations Tutoring. Today we're going to be solving the integral of ln of x. So we have two different methods. The first method is using integration by parts. This is something that we typically see with basic integrals. The second method that we're going to be using is something that we usually see for definite integrals, and what makes it definite would be the a and b values. So it would look something like this. But we're only going to be focusing on using integration by parts. So let's get started. One of the most important things to note is that whenever you do an integral, it's always important to stick to the formula or the method. So we have two different variables here. We have u and dv. But for this one, ln of x, we only have one variable. So what's one way that we can write ln of x so that it can be two variables? Well, we can say ln of x times 1 dx. So let's write that down. Ln of x times 1 d of x. Now the second part is to get your variables. So let dv and v, u and du. This is a great tip that I use whenever I try to find dv. This is typically going to be the easiest one. So 1 versus ln, which one would be easier? To me, it would be 1. So dv would be 1. And then for v, since we're going from differentiating back to integrating, we need to integrate 1 to be able to get v, because if d of dx of something is equal to 1, then the integral of 1 would be equal to the d over dx. So if we're going from differentiating to integrating, then we would integrate 1. So that would give us x. And then we have u and du, sorry. When we go from u to du, we're going to integrate. And so since we've defined the variable dv to be 1, then we'll define u to be ln of x. And so since we're going from u to du, now we need to differentiate ln of x. And we know when we differentiate ln of x, we're going to get 1 over x. That's perfect. We're halfway through now. So all we need to do is just substitute the value. So let's just rewrite this. U dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. And so that's amazing because we've now gotten all of the variables, right? We've got v, we've got dv, we've got u, and we've got du. So now all we need to do is just substitute. So let's do that. U would be ln of x times x minus the integral of v, which would be x, times d of u, which would be 1 over x. We can also just rewrite it like this. Now let's just take a look at this, right? Because we see x times 1 over x. Well, these two cancel each other out. So we're just going to get 1. So that makes things way more easier now, because then we're going to have 1. This is going to give us x, ln of x. And then what's the integral of 1? It would be x plus c. And that's how you solve the integral of ln of x. Thanks for watching.